Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. You can select one of these interactive bubbles. Could be like that. Tap Get Started. Then you have to select your region. Could be Austria for me. Tap Next. Then you have to tap I have carefully read and agree to the above terms. Of course, tap Next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you have to connect to the Wi-Fi, so find yourself some network, open it, or just check its password. Then connect. Tap Next. Tap Next. Then you can set up device protection, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can add your Huawei ID account if you have one. You can sign up for it here, or you can just forget about it, tap maybe later, leave, and never come back to this again. Tap later, then more, next, no thanks, later, enable it, continue. Then you can import data from your previous device, or you can just set up devices new, as I'm going to do. Then you have this gesture navigation tutorial. If you know how to use gestures, you can just skip it by closing it here. You can change navigation method if you don't really like these gestures, and you can just tap finish. Then select all, deselect all to just not download all these useless apps. Taps next, and device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.